Hi, welcome back again, Choice family. How are you all doing? I'm glad you're happy to see my beautiful face. I'm glad to see your beautiful comments. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple seafood boil. Not too much, but we'll see how it goes. It's the first time I'm trying this particular style. I've done a previous seafood boil on my YouTube channel, so this is the second time I'm trying this particular one, and I'm going to be using this peri-peri bag so to see how it's going to turn out and the flavor it's going to give to me. The peri-peri bag comes with this bag, and the flavor is inside, so I'm going to be using this flavor and some of my flavor. So sit back while we dive into the video. Begin with my ingredients step by step. First of all, we're going to go in with a diced potatoes, a baby potatoes, and I'll go in with my prawns, it's well washed, and I'll go in with my corn. And I'll go in with some of the peri-peri spicy, which I showed you guys earlier on. I'm not going to finish all of it. Add some black pepper, I'll add some ginger, I don't know why these days I like putting dill on my food, so I'll add some dill. Also add some crushed ginger. Add some blended cumin seeds. I will add peri-peri seasoning, and I will add rosemary. The whole of this seasoning of a thing is what you like and the flavor you like to get. And I will add some salt, not too much. So yeah, the next step, I'm going to add some butter. So guys, let's add some melted butter. Give it a quick stir. Let me give it a shake. So this mixture, we are going to be transferring it into the peri-peri bag. So guys, as you can see, that's our peri-peri bag. We're going to transfer the whole thing inside this bag. So I will continue off camera. I don't want to take much of your time while putting it inside the bag. So I'll continue off camera and I'll be back. So guys, this is the whole mixture. So we're going to seal it up. It's a bit much, but we'll try our best to seal it up. So this is how it's going to be. So this mixture now will go straight to the oven. We'll bake this for, let's say, 30-35 minutes, and I will be back.